Hey everybody, this is Dr. Don Kennedy. I'm the medical advisor for Life and Nerve Renew. And I wanted to give you a little heads up on a Facebook Live we just did called the Crash Course for Neuropathy Supplement Truth and Tricks. We did talk about some of the tricks the kind of the scammers use to get you to use their products. But one of the important parts of that was the 5 most potent neuropathy supplement components to look for when you're actually purchasing a nerve healing supplement. And this is just a quick review so you can go to the Facebook Live, because you always wonder, what do you really need to get in this? The difference between vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, and methcobalamin, and how these things repair and heal myelin sheaths. And also, for instance, vitamin B12, what's the difference between thiamine and benfotiamine? You gotta know that, because that's what regulates the rebuilding process of every single nerve that has been affected by neuropathy. What about B6, pyridoxine? Well, you gotta kind of watch out for that, and you gotta know why. It's about the milligrams. You can make your neuropathy worse by taking too much of this. And the king of them all is alpha lipoic acid. Are you getting the right one? At the end of this, I kind of give you my 3 closure points on what you should really be doing right now to heal your neuropathy. So really invite you to go that Facebook Live, the Crash Course, Neuropathy Supplement Truths and Tricks. And don't forget, I'm going to tell you a secret about my myelin brick house. You got to know how these nerves heal. So take care, go below, hit that link, and watch this video series. It's really a lot of fun. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Don Kennedy.